Welcome to our comparison of the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer and the Euhomy 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer. In this video, we will dive into the features and specifications of both dryers to help you make an informed decision. We'll explore their capacities, wattages, drying modes, and more. Whether you're looking for a dryer for your apartment, dorm, or RV, we've got you covered. Let's start by comparing the capacities of these two dryers. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer offers a generous capacity of 2.65 cubic feet, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the Euhomy 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer has a smaller capacity of 1.5 cubic feet, which may require more frequent drying cycles for larger laundry loads. If you often have bigger laundry needs, the first model might be the better choice. Next, let's look at wattage and how it affects drying efficiency. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer operates at 1,400 watts, which means it can dry clothes faster compared to the Euhomy 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer, which has a wattage of 850 watts. This difference in power can significantly impact drying times, especially for larger loads. If speed is a priority for you, the higher wattage model is likely the better option. Finally, let's compare the drying modes available on each dryer. Both models offer 4 drying modes, but they differ in functionality. A Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer features Intelligent Auto Dry, which adjusts drying time based on moisture levels. The Euhomy 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer, while offering modes like cold, warm, hot, and air dry, lacks this intelligent feature. This could make a difference in convenience and efficiency, especially for users who prefer a more automated drying experience. In conclusion, both the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer and the Euhomy 110 volts Portable Clothes Dryer have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a larger capacity and faster drying times, the compact model is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more affordable and compact option, the portable model is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.